What's up? We back. Trying to get used to this YouTube thing. Been about 2 weeks since the video, and I may or may not have bought a new truck. Not a new truck, but another truck. See if y'all can spot the one. Finally got me a Chevy. Ain't too much of a Chevy guy, but kind of cheap. And couldn't really refuse the price of it, so I had bought it. Got Big Goob coming over here, walking past. So yeah, let's move them all to the shade. Alright, so here she is. Kane had got it, and he wanted to sell it to me for $1,000, so I couldn't really pass it up. Looks like he got side swiped on each side. Same thing on the other side. And I don't know, it's my first Chevy, so I don't know if it's leveled or they just come like that, the four-wheel drive ones. I don't know. She's missing 3 lug nuts. I think on the other side too. Yeah. So, this is the other side where it got side swiped. Got like a hole in it. It's not rust, but I don't know. Inside's pretty clean. The thing broke off of there, so I'm probably gonna pull apart and get a new one. And that piece that goes over the AC for the radio. And a visor. Just a little cleaning up, and I'll probably try to sell this one too with the Jeep. I think the catalytic converter got stole off of it, got cut off. So it sounds kind of funny. Probably just put a straight pipe. It got a muffler, so it ain't gonna be too loud. It's my first time really looking at it. How's that work? And how's that work? And he came over here and dropped it off, and a few days later I gave him the money or whatever. He went buy a new truck. So kind of bought this thing without even looking at it. I knew it ran, but I didn't know nothing about it. Pop the hood and see what's under there. So apparently the latch, they disconnected that and put these pins. Okay. Smokes a little bit when it starts up, and at kind of high RPMs. So I think the little valve right there is out. So I went run over Riley's in the big truck, and I got a new one. They're only like $5. I think it was 4 something, so not quite $5. I'm gonna put that, probably tune it up, put a new spark plugs and wires before I sell it, get it running a little better. It runs good, but it kind of misses every once in a while. So let's start it up and see what she sounds like. How many miles? 211,000. Not too bad, boss. I guess. I don't know. It's a 1989, so it's gonna have kind of a lot high mileage. The big truck got 260, I think. I guess it ain't too bad. So yeah, let's switch this valve out real quick and see if it smokes or not. So I got the old one out. They just slip into the valve cover right there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, the hole. And then just connects to this. It's kind of messed up right there. I think it'll work. About to put the new one in and see what she do. So I just slipped everything back in. Let's go see if it makes a difference or not. I don't see no smoke. Also notice there's missing lugs on every corner. It's crazy. Let's drive it up and see if they got any smoke. Yeah, still smoke, so it's burning all somewhere. Gotta figure it out. Not too much of a gas guy. I like to mess with diesels. I find they a little bit easier. So I'm not too sure where to start. So, yeah.
It's a parade. It's on a
So it's probably been about 3 weeks since I got the truck, and a weekend ago since I made the other part of the video. Now I went to pull apart and grabbed some lug nuts because each side's missing 3 of them, so I grabbed some of them for pull apart. I grabbed the visor for the inside. I looked for all the other pieces that are missing in here, but they didn't have none. So let's put all the lug nuts on and we'll start on the visor. Tighten the lugs with the impact. About to start on the sun visor now real quick. See if it matches or not. No, not really. Dang. It's all good. Looks better than this. Looks a whole lot better. Just 3 screws popped out. Pop that one in. Yeah, all we're missing is this. But really I'm waiting on the title. I'm gonna probably post it as it is. It's not really too bad. It's just got that hole in the cap. Smokes a little bit. So yeah, been kind of busy lately. That's why I didn't really make a video or nothing like that. Been working a little late, whole lot. So yeah, y'all let me know if y'all want to see this thing in the pasture before it sells or not. Just waiting on the title and I'm gonna post it up. Let me know.